Want a gaming rig that delivers top performance without breaking the bank? Let's build one together. Start by picking a budget-friendly CPU like AMD Ryzen or Intel Core i5, which offers solid gaming performance without draining your wallet. Choose a compatible motherboard that supports your CPU and has enough slots for future upgrades. For graphics, look for a mid-range GPU like the NVIDIA GTX 1660, Super or AMD Radeon RX 580 to balance cost and performance. Add 8 to 16 gigabytes of RAM and an SSD for faster load times. Don't skimp on cooling. An affordable aftermarket CPU cooler or case fans will prevent overheating. Finally, select a budget case with good airflow and ensure your power supply has enough wattage to support your components. With patience and research, you can build a gaming PC that handles the latest titles without going over budget. Ready to get started?